Hey guys, I'm back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a new Magicoin update and a few leaked things, so let's get into the video. Alright, so there was an update sort of to Magicoin, sort of like a rebalance, and this is pretty good. So if you go to your daily Magicoin gift, you'll see that it got buffed from 5 to 10, which is basically double the amount you were getting. So if I go ahead and collect this, we'll get 10. And that means that now you're going to be getting 300 to like 310 per month instead of the 150 before. And to add on to this, if we go to the pet book, they actually made stuff cheaper as well. So if I were to go to this river collar, before it was going to cost me 120 to evolve this. Now instead of being 120, it's only 40. And this was also the case for like just basic. So this was originally gonna I believe cost 40 Magicoin to evolve, and now it only costs 20, which is very good. So now you only need to do 60 Magicoin in order to evolve a pet. That's, I guess, only a week, which is still sort of a long time, but it's a lot better than before where you were having to wait upwards of like a month to get both of your pets evolved. So that is pretty much that update. I assume they'll probably add a few more things. They did say that they are going to do 2 experiments this week to make Magicoin more available, while also changing the capture cost. So I'm not sure what the other experiment is. I assume the one is the 10 instead of 5 Magicoin in the daily Magicoin gift. I'm not sure what the other one is. Also, I just did a battle, and this is pretty interesting. I don't really think this has anything to do with Magicoin, but they did add this little rescue later thing here. So if you didn't catch the pets during the battle, you'll have a chance to get them right here, which I guess is alright. So there are a few things that weren't rebalanced that I think are kind of understandable at the moment, such as like this shop here. The stuff is really expensive. Like, even if you're going to be getting extra Magicoin every month, this stuff is still really overpriced. Like, this stuff would take 2 months to get, which pretty much no one can get. I assume most of the other shops are still going to have their original prices. So yeah, at the moment, this stuff is really expensive as well. Hopefully, they'll rebalance that along with the pet evolutions being much cheaper. I think it's understandable for the stuff in this shop to stay the same price for now, since the festival has already been going on for a couple of weeks, so it wouldn't be fair to the players that already bought stuff for the prices to then all of a sudden be dramatically decreased. But in the future, I think that it would be nice if we did see some items like this, instead of costing 725. I don't really know what a good price for that would be. There kind of probably need to be some experimenting to find a good price. But yeah, overall, I think that it would be nice for future festivals if they would decrease the prices. But I think for this festival, it's understandable that they would not decrease Magicoin prices on these items. So yeah, I did a little more searching and I still wasn't able to find the second source of Magicoin, so I may just not have that beta update, or maybe it's not out yet. So yeah, so far this seems like it's promising, and I'll keep you guys updated if anything else happens with it. Alright, now we also have 2 leaked things that we're going to be looking at. So this first one is called UI Featured Pet. I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be. By the title, it sounds like it's going to be some sort of featured pet. It sort of sounds like it's going to be in Wizard Watch based off of this. This says Wiz Watch Featured Pet. Wizard Watch, I assume, would mean Wizard Watch. So I'm not sure how this is going to work or what the featured pet is going to do. Like, is it going to be findable in every area? Is it going to be cheaper cost or something like that? I'm not really sure, but I guess it'll be somewhere in Wizard Watch for us to see. And then we also have a leaked mount. This is what it looks like. It sort of looks like it's going to be a flying carpet. So this is the icon for it. And then here is the spine for it. So we get a better look at it. As I said, it does look like it will be a flying carpet. It seems like it's going to be Academy themed. It has the red outline that we see on the Academy's carpet. And then it had the astral symbol and like the blue on the outside. So I think this should be Academy themed. Now, I don't know if it's going to be a part of some sort of thing in the Academy. I'm guessing it's probably going to be a part of a treasure track, since that's pretty much the only place that we do get new mounts. But yeah, we'll just have to see what happens with this. And then there are also some sort of, I guess, leaked pets that are going to be coming to the game. I don't think that these were purposefully leaked, and these were found in Game Island. So this one looks like it's going to be for Aquaster. This one looks like it's going to be for the water-sized Triceratops. I cannot remember the name of it. And then this one looks like a pre-evolution of Truckle. So these all look like they're going to be pre-evolutions. Now I don't know if they're confirmed to be coming to the game. Just because they're in Game Island doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to be coming to the game, but I think that we could kind of expect them to. I'm trying to get as far as I can in Pet Rescue to see these for myself and see if there are any others, but it's kind of slow to progress in Pet Rescue since you can only play 5 minutes a day if you're not a member, and I'm not a member. So I'll keep you guys updated if I do find anything else in there. And yeah, the final thing I wanted to mention is that Poppet got nerfed, or I guess the main version of it got slightly buffed. All of its stats are higher, but then if you're, I think the easiest one is Alpha, which is like the one that I think you'd battle in Lamplight Town normally. But every single other one got nerfed, especially Omega, which is the hardest one. That's the one that you would battle on the moon. That one was really hard to beat. I think it had a base health of like 1600. Now I think it's only about 900, so it should be much easier to beat. Before, I battled it when it was at 1600 as the base, and I had to battle it like 3 times before I actually beat it. Now it should be a lot easier to beat if you have not yet beaten it. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that I have to talk about today, so that is going to go ahead and end the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.